everyone, today we're doing Module 3, Level E. We are on Lesson 5, so turn to page 25 in your packets and follow along to take notes. So today is multiplying by a two-digit number with regrouping. So here we have 64 times 6, and number 2 is 64 times 30. So let's keep that in mind when we do this problem, 64 times 36, because remember, 6 plus 30 equals 36. So they're going to show us how to do that. All right, so we are going to do 6 times 4 first, which is 24. Put the 4 down there, carry the 2, regroup it. Then we do 6 times 6 is 36, and then plus 2 is 38. So we have 384. Then, if we do this problem, we can just do the tens place and then add on that 0 at the end, remember? So we can do 3 times 4 is 12, carry that 1. And then we do 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. So now what we have is this problem. So if we look at number 3, 64 times 36. Well, the first part we're doing is the same as what we did up here. We did the 6. So if we do 6 times 4 is 24. Then they regrouped that too. 6 times 6 over here, 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. So that's what we got when we did the answer up here, when we did number 1, 64 times 6. So 384, same as right here, 384. Now, the second part is 30 times 64. So notice that they crossed off that 2 because we already added it. We don't want to get confused and add that again. So the next part that they did is what we did in number 2. So 30 times 64. And they got the same answer. So they did 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, they crossed out the 2 because we already added that. They carried the 1, then 3 times 6, 18, plus 1 is 19. And then you can finish the problem. And 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Regroup that 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So there is our final answer. All right. Oops. Some of those numbers got mixed up. Sorry about that. Okay, so number 4, we have 29 times 38. So we're going to do the first one. We're going to do 8 times 29. So 8 times 9 is 72. Carry the 7. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 7 is 23. And then if we were moving on, we would cross that off because we already added that 7. So notice what we did here, exact same thing that they did in part B. 8 times 29 is 232. Then you go to part C and notice that they crossed off the 7 because it's already been added, and they did this part. They did 3 times 9 is 27. So they already brought down that 0, 27, so they put the 7 there, then they carried the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So then that is the 30 times 29. So then you would just add 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 7 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11. 1,102. All right, so here is a visual diagram. 15 times 15. That's the same as doing 10 plus 5 times 10 plus 5. So notice they did 10 plus 5 is like this, 10 plus 5 is like this, because when you do a grid that shows multiplication. This blue square is the 10 by 10, which is 100. Then, so we did that one. Then we did 5 by 10, which is 50. Then we did the other 5 by 10, which is 50. And then this little one down here that's left is 25. So that means you can just add 100 plus 50 is 150, plus another 50 is 200, plus 25 is 225. So 15 times 15 is 225. This says, find each product, regroup as needed. I'm going to make this a little bigger. So the first part we're going to do here is we're going to do 4 times 48. So 4 times 48, we're in the ones place. So 4 times 8 is 32. Carry that 3, regroup it. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Now, we added that 3 already. I'm going to cross it off so I don't add it again. Now we're going to do the tens place, the 20 times 48. So I'm going to bring the 0 down because we're in the tens place now. So 2 times 8 is 16. Then we're going to regroup that 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus the 1. We're not adding the 3, we're adding the 1, which is 9. And then we can add these two numbers. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 9 is 11. 1,152. All right, this next one, we'll do the same thing. We're going to rewrite it though. Put the big number on top, 623 times 47. Okay, we'll do the ones place first. So we're going to do the 7 times 623 first. So 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Plus 2 is 16. 7 times 6 is 42. Plus 1 is 43. Now I'm going to go and cross those off because I already added them because now we're in the tens place. So I'm going to put that 0 to hold the ones. And now we're going to multiply by the 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 4 times 6 is 24. I'm going over the plus sign right there. So now we have to add these two numbers. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 9 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. And then 2. So, 29,281. All right, let's read through this. Multiply a 2-digit number with regrouping. So, using words, write the numbers vertically with the number with more digits on top. Line the numbers up on the right. So here we go. The number 156 is more digits. That goes on top, and then the ones are lined up and the tens are lined up. Multiply the ones digit of the bottom number by the top number. Regroup if necessary. So here you did 3 times 156. We do that first. Then multiply the tens digit of the bottom number by the top number. Regroup if necessary. So now you're in the 6 because that's the tens place. And look, they put that 0 to hold the ones place. Add the two products to find the final product of the problem. So then they added it to get the answer. All right, on your own, complete page 27. Please make sure to show your work. Ask for help if you need it. Good luck.